Hi, the purpose of this video is to show how to utilize long-term investment for intraday option selling to generate additional revenue. Here I have chosen ITC for long-term investment considering growth pattern I am expecting in next 5 to 10 years as well as regular dividend. We will also look an option intraday strategy at later stage. So I am using the Zerodha platform. I have to go to the consoles, portfolio, holdings. So it will come once the stock is delivered to your demat account. So I'm searching for the ITC. I have 750 quantity, so I'll choose pledge for margin 750 quantity. So you can see my stock value is actually 1.77 lakh. After the haircut, I'll get 1.51 lakh for the intraday for the as a collateral margin. So I can submit it. So once submitted, the CDSL will send you an email to the registered email for the authorization. So I have received the email. I will visit the website. So I need to enter my PAN card here. Submit. So I can see my pledged stock already here. Select it, then generate OTP. So OTP is sent to the email ID. So I received the OTP by email. So here I have submitted the OTP, and it takes 24 working hours to complete the stock pledge. I have requested for the pledge of the stock on Wednesday, and by Thursday morning itself I got the collateral margin as 144,000 rupees. Now I can utilize this fund for the option selling in the intraday. Now let's do see how we can do it. The Nifty is standing at 17,814. So I will add Nifty 17,800. The next expiry, which is the 3rd November, CE and the P. So I have both this, and I'm going to sell both of these options. Sell. I require around 112,000 as the margin. I'll keep 180. Basically I have to select the current market price. I'll use the intraday 190, and the PE also I will sell 145 intraday, and this is 18,000 is required. So I kept order for the both are not executed. The one got executed, the other 145, I think the premium has declined a lot. So both are executed. Let's keep the intraday equity away. So this is how it is going on. So I need to set the target and the stop loss also immediately. So I'll go to the GTT. As it is taken the intraday, I will not able to keep in the GTT. What my target will be always 20 points, which means if 1000 rupees I am getting, that will be my target, and my stop loss will be always 10 point. So I'll keep exit. SL order. I think it's almost near to my target. I can exit both currently. I'll exit at the market price. So I exit in the both, and as you can see, 1142 is the profit from one entry, and 715 is the minus for the another entry. So the net profit what I gained is 1142 minus 715, almost 427 rupees is my profit. Now let's backtest this particular strategy. So I'm using StockMock for backtesting the strategy. So as you can see, I have ended sell at the money call option and at the money put option. The target point is 20 point on both side, and the stop loss is 10 point on both side. The entry will be always 10 o'clock. The maximum waiting time will be 3 o'clock 15 minutes. Today it's done within 2 minutes. That's a different story because of highly volatile market. Update the strategy and run. So I'm doing 30 days back test. As you can see, overall profit is 399,000, almost 4,000 rupees for 1 month, and the win rate is 68% and the loss rate is 32%. Now let's see the return. Around 130,000 rupees I required for the strategy, and 4,000 is the monthly return. So I have around 3% monthly return from this strategy, which is equal to 36% annually. So I'm not utilizing any of my existing fund. Instead, I bought a stock which I pledged. From that pledge, I'm getting the margin for the additional revenue, and only from this I'm getting 36%. So what are the benefits here? The one, stock appreciation, the two, pledge and intraday gain, third, dividend, and fourth, we can also do one thing. If you see ITC standing at 227, if I look at the ITC option chain, $227, from a standard deviation 2 perspective, I can sell a higher level calls, especially the out of the money. If I'm looking around 250, which is trading at 3.25. So November series 250C, I can sell this option at 3.5. So 3,200 is the quantity. Always ensure if you're doing the option writing against your holding, you must have 3,200 quantity in your account. Otherwise, don't do it, because if price moves, it will end up with loss. Now, if I'm selling this one, my approximate profit is around 9,600 by the end of the month from this, and the capital required is 1,03,000. So it will give around 9% return in a month. Now what will happen if the price moves above 250? This particular sell will goes to the loss, whereas we already have ITC in our account, in our demat account, so that this particular one will move to the profit. So we have 4 chances of making profit from one capital. I hope you all understand. Please let me know in comments if you need any clarification.